In Java, the final keyword is used to indicate that a variable, method or class cannot be modified after it is declared. When applied to a variable, it becomes constant, means its value cannot be changed. For methods, it prevents subclasses from overriding them. And when used with a class, it signifies that the class cannot be subclassed. In this example, the final variable max value is initialized by 10. If max value is assigned another value, say 20, then this will cause an error. A method declared as final cannot be overridden by subclass. In this class parent, method show is declared with keyword final and another class child is derived from class parent. Subclass child cannot override the method show, which is already defined in its parent class. It will generate error. A class declared as final cannot be subclassed. In this example, final class is declared with keyword final, and to derive a subclass from this final class will cause an error. If this video is helpful, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.